Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to lock rows but allow column edits in shared sheets. So first of all, open Google Sheets. Over here I have already made a table over here with the name and a column with nothing and first name and last name. So in order to lock the rows, I will be highlighting the specific row and right clicking on it when I'll get these options. Now at the last option I have view more selections. When you go over there, click on protect range. Once you click on protect range, on the right side you will see an option for range. Over here it says on sheet 1 from A2 till D2 is locked. So once you click on set permission, but before that you can enter some description, for example lock, and click on set permission. So it will restrict to who can edit this or show warning when editing this. You can also select that. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.